As a VP.
Vijayalakshmi Nanda, the principal of Miranda House. We are indeed delighted to be collaborating with STEP on this particular initiative called Unpollute, where entrepreneurs are working on the idea of sustainability. What can be better than that? We are committed to the Honorable Prime Minister's mission of bringing about women-led development and also bringing in an understanding about how young women in colleges can lead it. Miranda House is indeed delighted to be partners with this mission. And we are very, very grateful to STEP for allowing this to happen. This is how women can help each other by creating networks where all women, younger and older, can participate. We are looking forward to a great learning experience and many of our students becoming the entrepreneurs in the next phase. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Manik, and I'm the chairman of EcoWise Waste Management, which is a Noida-based company dealing in various sorts of waste, from collection to segregation to recycling. I am honored to be here today at Unpollute. Our organization is run by women, from accounts to the CEO. It is not only led by women in the management spree, but it is also led by women on our floor, where our floor supervisors are all women. It's a great initiative that Miranda House has taken over here, and I wish them all the best.
My name is Renu. I am the founder of STEP, and today we are hosting Unpollute. It is a conclave for women-led startups in the climate change space. This is a culmination of the last 3 months of the work that we are doing with women-led startups in this space, whether they are working in waste management or climate action in some other form, circular economy, and any other kind of tech products that they have. And they have gone through learning sessions, workshops, mentorship, and they have pitched. Yesterday they pitched to investors and also to jury for the competition that took place yesterday. Today the prizes will be announced. The intention of Unpollute is that we continue this event year after year, so that we are able to encourage a lot more women entrepreneurs working in this space, and so that they can find a voice, they can find the network, they can find the support system. And since women are disproportionately affected by climate change, we want to bring forward the ones who are change agents and not just beneficiaries, but also taking concrete actions to reshape the world. And this is the first edition of Unpollute. We intend to have many more of these so that we can create a very, very strong network and support system for women entrepreneurs. Thank you. Hi, good afternoon. मेरा नाम अमृता त्रिपाठी है and I am from Click Design International. हमारी कंपनी एग्जीबिशन में क्रिएटिव सर्विसेज देती है, लाइक बूथ फैब्रिकेशन, डिजाइनिंग, प्रमोशन सर्विसेज. अभी हमारा जो इस इनिशिएटिव में पार्टिसिपेट करने का एजेंडा है, दैट इज फॉर द ग्रीन टुमारो, for which we have come up with some revolutionary actions and revolutionary services which we have included. Although we are into the industry since 10 years now, but अभी तक हमने देखा है कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा कार्बन एमिशन होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन होता है. सो उसके बचाव के लिए हमने कुछ इनिशिएटिव्स लिए हैं, हमने कुछ वर्कआउट किए हैं, कुछ सर्विसेज वर्कआउट किए, कुछ मोड्स वर्कआउट, मेथड्स वर्कआउट किए हैं, जिसको हमें डिस्कस करना है विद द राइट पर्सन सो दैट दे कैन कम अप विद अस एंड दे कैन सपोर्ट टू अस. Number 1. Number 2 is that we are also coming up with a very latest AI technology in our industry. So this is exclusive with us in India, although it is happening internationally, but in India it has not done yet. So we are coming up with that with our channel partners and colleague Exime International. So this is how we are here, and we want to showcase our services for the trade show industries.
किस तरीके की सर्विसेज हैं?
देखिए, हम लोग करते हैं, हम लोग एग्जीबिशंस, आपने ट्रेड शोज वगैरह देखे ही होंगे, उसमें हम लोग बूथ फैब्रिकेशन और डिजाइनिंग का हमारा काम है. सो अभी तक हमारा ये ऑब्जर्वेशन रहा है कि इतनी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री हो रही है, अभी करंटली ये 30,000 करोड़ की इंडस्ट्री है और अगले नेक्स्ट 2 साल में ये 50,000 करोड़ से भी ऊपर की इंडस्ट्री होने वाली है। अब आप ये मान सकते हो कि इसमें इतना ज़्यादा कार्बन एमिशन होता है, इतना ज़्यादा वुड यूज होता है। आप लकड़ी यूज करोगे तो एनीवे आप पेड़ों से ही सोर्स करोगे, देयर इज नो अदर वे आउट। तो इतने ज्यादा आप ये समझ लो पेड़ कट रहे हैं या इतनी ज्यादा सोर्सिंग हो रही है, उसकी वजह से नेचर पे इतना बड़ा एक तरीके से अटैक हो रहा है। प्लस अभी आपने इस ईयर एक्सपीरियंस किया है, दिल्ली में ही 52 डिग्री टेम्परेचर हो गया था, तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बिकम नेक्स्ट सऊदी। सो उसको एस्केप करने के लिए हम हमारी इंडस्ट्री में क्या इम्प्रोवाइजेशन कर सकते हैं उसको ही हम डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं यहाँ पे। मैं आपको थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ दूंगी। जैसे हम लोगों ने कुछ नॉन वुड मटेरियल यूज करने का इनिशिएटिव लिया है, जिसमें हम लोग एग्री वेस्ट हो गया या रिसाइकिल्ड वुड का यूज करेंगे। प्लस हम लोग बायोडिग्रेडेबल और ग्रीन पेंट मटेरियल का यूज करेंगे। प्रिंट में भी हम लोग फैब्रिक वगैरह यूज करेंगे। सो ये सारी चीजें हमें काफी हद तक इको फ्रेंडली और ग्रीन सोल्यूशन की तरफ लेके जाएंगे। सो ये है हमारा। प्लस हम AI टेक्नोलॉजी अपने में लेके आ रहे हैं, विच इज अगेन बिकमिंग दैट्स बिकमिंग द आइसिंग ऑन द केक। सो उसमें ये है कि हम स्मार्ट एग्जीबिशन बूथ को भी प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ट्रेड शो आज की डेट में B2B इंडस्ट्री की नीड हो गई है। दे कैन नॉट प्रमोट देयर ब्रांड विदाउट B2B promotion. So that's how it is.
Hi, I'm Parul Agarwal and I am from Newman Ventures OPC Private Limited. We are here with a solution of plastic-free paper cups, and I got the opportunity through CGLS Foundation to attend this program. I'm very glad and grateful to everyone, and we are very much grateful to connect with all the big leaders from the government sector and the private sectors over here. So basically, you know that the plastic, the cups that is available in the market, they are having a very thin plastic layer over that is we are unaware of, and that is harming the health of the people as well as the environment. So we are here with a solution that is completely biodegradable, and it is 100% it will disintegrate with the environment, and it's not going to harm anyone. So this is a very much sustainable solution for all of us. So thank you for giving me this chance. Thanks a lot.